Right guys, so we just pulled up at Refinish auto panel and we were greeted with the car right there. Oh, we were not expecting that, so we were not rolling at that time, but yo, my bro. Oh, it looks sick in the sun. Yes. Yo. Hey bro. That looks pretty sick. Yeah. Guys, I'm not gonna lie, it came out absolutely sick. I'm not too sure if the camera can actually catch the color properly, but my word. So like we said, look, I don't know if you can even pick it up in here. There's orange peel, but that's not in the clear. That was basically in our prep. We didn't get it smooth enough, unfortunately. But we can see after the buff and polish how it turns out. But yeah, so I still need to finish the engine, boy. Phew, it looks sick. What do you think, Java? It looks beautiful. Oh yeah. Let's see how the color changes here. And that blue pearl we have in here basically pops out. See the glitter in there? Yeah. It looks nice. Think of the color?
It was a very nice color.
Yeah.
I came here this morning and I was just looking. I'm like, yo.
Oh yeah, you was down. Yeah.
You know how much people when you posted the photo on Facebook in black and white, you know, the people wanted to know what the color is. You didn't want to give up.
Yeah.
But now they're gonna know.
Nah, they don't know yet.
Your dad saved the color, bro. Like really. We made a lot of alterations to the color. The intake I'm gonna pull off and then all the wiring around, and then I'll just spray around, and then it looks cleaner, man. You know what I mean? Yeah, because it's a color change. You want to see the color
Change.
Yeah. That's the vibe, bro. But yo, vibe, bro. I can't wait to see it like in the 3 o'clock sun, man, how it look. Because then the color will change, hopefully even more. Alright guys, so we assembled most of the car here. A lot of stuff is still gonna come off again, but it's looking decent. It looks a lot brighter in camera. It's not that bright. So I do need to get myself some new headlights, definitely. We're gonna black that out, the grille, the H. We're gonna black that out, and then obviously the black beadings must go on the car as well. Maybe a black rim. We just want to say that we are extremely, and I mean over the moon with the workmanship that Ashraf performs on this car. The level of skill, as you saw in the video, was second to none, in my opinion. Ashraf also went over and above, like we mentioned. There was a lot still wrong with the car when we came. You know, we learned.
Yeah.
So there was a lot wrong with the car, but what's gonna happen next is the car now needs to bake a little bit, and then we're gonna bring it back to Refinish auto panel to, of course, now sand and polish the car for us. But again, Ashraf, I just want to say shukran to you, bro. I know we were a headache, but we'll bring you some panados next time. But yeah guys, so Shamel's car is also coming soon to Ashraf, like you saw in the previous video, for the major repair, and then we got a surprise on that one as well. But again, Refinish auto panel, check them out, and yeah, we'll catch you guys soon. Peace.
Okay, cool.